you say? Black and red make brown.
Can
Cool.
I do that?
Here, Leah, get an alphabet sheet.
Can I do that? I can't do this.
What can't you do?
I can't do a circle of black and then a color of black.
Let me see.
Do I have to do this? Yep. No, first do black. Come
There.
off. It has to be a circle. Like this? Yes.
Practice writing. What letter? What picture?
A T.
Key.
And it turning.
So the letter K makes what sound?
I'll wipe it off.
Leah, what sound does K make?
Mom, you want to see this?
K.
First do I do black.
Key.
Let me see what.
All right, trace your letter K. Sit all the way down. And trace your letter K.
Mom, you want to see this?
You're mixing all kind of colors, right?
Yes.
All right, so are we going to take care of these new markers?
Yeah. See? I told you.
Here, Leah. Let's see if that one, is that a new one? Or that looks like an old marker, but I think it doesn't work anymore. Here, this is the blue one I think works. Try that one. Take
No,
it.
this one works.
That one works?
Yeah.
Okay, give her that one then.
Mom,
Throw away the rest of the old ones.
Mom, can I color the eggs black?
You can.
Because
What is that a picture of?
eggs.
Eggs and inside of a what that starts with the letter N?
Nest. There, baby.
Make a line down right there.
Mom,
Follow the line.
Mom, are they baby chicks in there?
Yes. Now start right here and go down. Start right here. Okay. That's easiest for you to do it that way. Okay, watch Mama look like this. Let me see marker. Hold on. What you making, Josiah? Look, watch me, Leah. Down, down, down. Can you do that? Down, down, and down. Let's see if it's a little easier to make it that way.
Huh? Why doesn't this work? Trick. I don't know how to do this.
Don't color so deep on it, or you won't be able to see the color.
I made light green. Oh, I can't do this. Mom, do I have to push down?
Yeah, I'll get some wipes
Mom,
in a few
the
minutes.
last time Jaden let Chris paint his face.
Okay. I'll get some wipes to erase. Don't
Do you
worry.
have white?
Yes, but guess what? I'm not getting ready to stop what I'm doing to do that, okay?
Give me red.
Where's your right? Hold your marker.
Give me black. This is not red.
Here.
The red marker, that's no.
Down.
No.
Down.
Oh, yeah.
Down. Down. Down.
I want blue. Give me black. Black? What? Go to the top.
I have to look and see if I have any wipes in here. If not, I have to go get some.
There's the top.
No,
That's a neon.
I'm out of wipes. Let me go in and get some.
Where? I think
Clean it all up. Clean your sheet. How many tops do you have off your markers, little girl? Here.
This can work on crayon.
Yes, it works on everything. That's why I like these, because most of the wipes don't. They leave the marks behind, but these don't.
I made it nice and neat.
Nice and neat.
I'm going to do this one.
Really quick. It just erases, huh?
Damn. Mom, right.
Yes,
If we
sir.
do it like this, it'll erase out.
Mm-hmm.
I writing
Leah's writing. Are you writing too?
the top.
Good job. Erasing.
Down.
Are you helping her write inside?
Mom, she dropped it.
Okay. We'll go back and go to sleep. You didn't have to get up so soon. See, you did a good job so that the next person can use that page. If you need a new page, ask somebody to pass you a new one.
Can I have that one? Right here.
Turn it around. You want to switch? Zai, use your page. Here,
I don't
switch pages with her. You want to erase
I don't
K so
want.
you can use K? Oh, you want to erase it? Yeah, that's the fun part. Layla, pick up the marker top on the ground. Pick them up, please. Put them right here. We really need to find some triangular
Like this.
markers, like the triangular crayons
Right.
that don't roll. That's okay. I'm going to invent something to keep these markers from rolling.
I don't want my page. I don't want my page. I don't want my page.
You don't want your page?
Watch this too. Mom, can I have a new white?
Sure. Here, pull it. Pull it. Take the old trash bag over here.
All clean. This really good.
I see markers on the floor. Pick up markers off the floor. Aaliyah, pick up the marker, the pink one, under your chair.
Mom, can I help Aaliyah?
If she needs help. What are you doing?
I see you. I see you.
Why?
Oh,
Oh, okay.
I see you. I see you. What?
And keep the top on it.
I see red animal. I see red animal. Little kids can't drink that.
Nope.
No.
That didn't get cold enough. Okay, you can go. She went to go lay down again.
Uh-oh.
Sai, where's the map?
Is that yours? Yeah. Mine.
Where's the map?
Mom, when she got up, she forgot to erase it. That's mine.
Okay. Map?
Erase. I know how to erase. Okay, you do. I trust her. And I'll do the other part. No, I trust her. Start press map.
Where's South America?
Mom, little share for what's mine?
That's Texas.
Exactly.
It's in the south part of the United States, yes. You have a dress on? Do you need to go potty? Side, Aria. You little stunt devil. Girl. Do you need to go potty? No?
It's mine. Mom,
So that means she needs to go potty because she left. Nope, she's back. You going potty?
Let me.
No.
You did. Yes. Can I do it that way? No. I found my reading book.
Yes, you found your reading book. Yes.
Repeat.
Which letter is it? Okay, can you wait until she's finished using it?
She did.
Layla, are you finished with the letter C and D? Because that was the first page I helped you with.
Yes.
Okay, don't keep it from him. If he wants to work on those letters, let him work on those letters.
I can't do this. Pepper.
Purple.
We got another purple. Yeah. Look, are these different? No.
What's different about them?
Not different. This one is purple and this one is purple.
That one is pink.
Pink.
It's dark pink.
Dark pink. Dark pink. I know it's dark pink. That mine. That mine. Oh wait, I found it.
Okay.
Hey. Uh-oh. I'm tired. I'm not going on the page. I'm not going on the page. Hey! Thread! I'll bring it. It's over here, Mom. Here, I'll bring it for you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mom,
You're welcome.
it's gonna fall down.
It's gonna fall down? Okay. Let me see it. Uh-oh. I dropped it. Where's the top? Here it is. I'll put the top on once you finish. Okay? After you finish. Layla, what are you doing up there? You see a what? Battery. Well, be careful. Did you do that?
Mom, maybe. I found the top.
Good morning, homeschool friends. How are you?
We're good.
Good morning, homeschool friends. How are you?
We're good.
It's time to start our day. We're here to work and play. Good morning, homeschool friends. How are you?
We're good.
All right. Do another one. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Mom, Mom.
Yes, Tariq, hold on.
If
If you're happy and you know it, Stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
And on Gullah Gullah Island, they would sing it.
If you're happy and you know it.
Pretend we're crying.
And you really want to show it. Gullah Gullah Island. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
Happy and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray!
And you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! And you're happy and you know really things are really true. And you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! Think and and you're happy and you know, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know, stomp your feet. If you're happy,
And you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet.
if you're happy and you know, shout hooray. Hooray! If you're happy and you know, shout hooray. Hooray! If you're happy and you know, really quick, really quick. If you're happy and you know, shout hooray. Hooray!
If you're happy and you know it, give your sister a hug. If you're happy and you know it, give your sister and brother a hug. You give Tariq a hug too? No. Oh no, he's being shy. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it.
I kiss you.
If you're happy and you know it, give your sister a hug. Yay. He's being silly, isn't he?
Mom, can I play with these?
Not yet. You're gonna pick up, Layla. Layla, look at me. Pick up the marker top. You are not getting ready to break that crayon. Don't even. It's not Kung Fu, okay?
Kung Fu Panda!
What are you putting your fingers right there for? If you want to build, you can take out the sticks and build, but you are not. Hey, after the table is clean. Wait a minute.
Mom, can we do
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Lower your voice, right? Lower your voice.
Stop.
Don't be embarrassed. I'm not turning it off. Okay?
Not be embarrassed.
Act like you're 5.
I'm 5.
Stop co-signing.
A snack.
I know you're 5.
A snack. Because I said these are snacks.
Zai, go. You need to go finish your food.
I finished my food. Mom.
Listen, Layla, pick up the pink marker and then put the pink marker top. Start picking up the rest of the markers off of the table. Put the tops on them. Pick up the crayon that you just threw across this floor. Wait a minute. What did I just say to you about your voice? Do you need a timeout? Okay, you can have a timeout. Here, pick up the marker top. Leah, go finish your lunch. I mean, Zai, go finish your lunch. Leah's taking a nap. I know, we just sang good morning. I should have sang good afternoon because it's afternoon, you guys. It's 4 o'clock. She has not finished her lunch. But you guys know we start later in the day. That's why it's so bright outside. Don't put it in your mouth. Put the tops on the markers.
I don't know which ones.
I like how you're cleaning. So what is the story we read last night? What was that story about? Can anybody?
Almost freedom.
Okay, we read Almost to Freedom. And what was the other story we read? What was that? The boy's name that wanted to go to the library. What was his name? Can we remember? Richard Wright. And what did he want to do?
Read.
He wanted to read. Was he allowed to read?
No.
Tariq, your voice.
Mom, what is that book that we were looking at yesterday? No, not that one.
Okay, clean up. I will get you the book. I will get you the book. It's still in the stack. I need to log this book. Come back, Tariq. Come back, Layla. In the book log. Actually, all of these, because we are finished this stack already. At least these. What do we have left? We only have a couple left. Here. This one?
Yes.
You like the story?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll read it again. Tariq, pick up that marker, the pink one, and the green one right here. Put it away.
Look.
Where's the orange one?
Look.
Okay, put the top on.
Mismatch.
Well, keep them together. Where's the orange one? It's hot in here. This weather is crazy. It's so hot outside. 80 degrees outside.
The snacks. I found a blue. Zai, here is your snacks. Zai, bite them.
Don't bite the snack. Don't bite those.
Don't bite
Here.
the white.
And don't tell her to bite them. You know better.
And this, the one is making it.
Let's put all of the letter mats away. We need to do some
Work?
housekeeping.
Housekeeping?
Yes. Clean up.
What is housekeeping?
Clean up in the school.
Clean up
The schoolroom is a little bit chaotic
Mess.
right now. Yes, mess. This afternoon. But mess means you were learning. Pick them up.
There's something about these two.
You have to look around on the floor until all of the lids are back on the markers.
The lids. Mom, can I?
Tariq, do you see any marker tops on the floor?
No.
Thank you for commencing to cleaning off the table that I keep cleaning off. And you guys keep messing up. Do we have all the marker tops? Okay, which one are you missing? Here's orange. Orange top is in here, so it's mixed up on another color.
Oh, yeah.
We have to remember to...
Hey, look.
There it is. Put them on the right color. I'm going to have to...
Wait.
Be careful. Here's blue right here. Here's the top. Here's a marker. What's the matter? Here's another blue. That's
She
probably...
wants to keep on writing.
Where's your... I just saw you. Here's your book. Oh, we dropped that orange.
Mom,
Yeah.
I know
Here.
how to spell balloon.
Spell it.
B-E-R.
B-E-R.
Balloon. I'm looking for another one.
B-A.
It doesn't have an A.
Where's Burr?
Stop.
Oh, wait a minute.
Stop.
Where's Burr? That's red. Oh, you're reading upside down. That's the color.
Huh?
Good try, though.
That's not red.
That's not red? Okay. Do we see that top, Layla?
No.
So that means we need to keep cleaning up, right? What color top are we missing?
A blue one.
Oh, goodness.
Another blue one.
Another blue one?
Uh-huh.
I might have to just use a spare blue one.
We're missing two.
Which colors are we missing?
We're missing
Here.
red. Let me
Take the top off of the old blue one since it's trash.
All right, let me
The
clean
reason why we saved.
this one.
Yeah, put it on there. We saved the tops in case we need spares. Here. Which other color is missing the top? That blue one here. Use this brown top. And once I find it, I will put the right... Wait a minute. Here, look. Here. There it is. Give me the brown one back so we can put that away again for a spare.
A wheel, a ball, a spider. We're missing
A spider.
a wheel.
A wheel.
A wheel.
That is your favorite book, isn't it? Turn it that way so you can read it. You need some help?
Spider's eye.
Let me see.
A wheel. We're missing this.
Are we still missing a top?
Yes.
Oh, goodness. Here, let me get
Mom,
this one again.
Mom, there's marks on Zai's toes.
Okay. Here, let me see.
So let me clean the marks up on
We will have to find a purple top.
Let me clean
Okay. Put it inside.
Sit down.
Once we finish the floor, we'll find it.
And I'll show you this. So, does it tickle? Yeah. Tickles. It's tickles. Tickles.
Did you get them in there? I have to fix them up. It's okay if you can't line them all the way up, Layla. I'll get them.
Wait, I don't know which one.
It's okay. I'll get them. As long as we have all the tops on them.
Yeah, okay.
That's all I need. I think some of these blues did not come in here. We have extra markers. Those are from the old set.
Mom, I have them tickles.
Yes, I have all of them.
Well,
I am going to keep up with those myself.
Mom, Zai likes tickles.
Now, do you want your book back? You want to look through your book?
Is this my book?
Everybody's book.
Mom, what is
Yes.
this? I put the wipes over there.
Thank you.
What is this book?
What is that book called, Tariq?
Almost Freedom.
Almost to Freedom. And so, once I take the posters, yes,
Don't clean this.
no,
Mom, do those have our name on it?
yes, those are the library rules to take care of the library books. Good job. Yes, they snuck outside. So they are running away to where? Freedom. Just like Richard Wright. He wanted to run away to freedom so that he can read books without getting in trouble, right?
I spelled everyone's name.
You did. I saw you spell everyone's name.
I made an umbrella.
You made an umbrella with the connect.
When we get our car, we want to go. What
Okay.
We're gonna go there.
Oh, cool. So I'm going to take off the posters and we'll put your new artwork on the wall. Okay, Tariq? So don't worry, I'll get your artwork.
Mom said she's gonna take those posters off.
No, I'll take it off.
That's old slime.
I'll take the word wall down.
Ew. Old slime. That was from Target. Mom, later you should buy some of those diagrams. And Mom, that is wet. That was from Target. Mom, Zaya is wet. Target. Mom, why is Zaya wet?
Some water in there. There's water. Somebody's water bottle.
Ah! Say rabbit. I'm gonna clean the chalkboard. Can I clean the chalkboard too?
One. Somebody you can clean the table. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to put this camera up. I need to go edit some things.
Outside.
I'm behind on editing. Not that I want to edit, but lots of things that happened in the month of January that you guys still have not seen. So hopefully I can get a day in the life, the kids up. January in a nutshell. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
I'm going to push the button.
I'm going to push the button right here.
I want to press